Introducing Amphenol's robust GTC-E series, connectors engineered for rugged, industrial use. GTC-E connectors are empowered by rad-sock contacts for unmatched electrical performance. They also perform reliably from -40 degrees to 125 degrees Celsius. Built with UL94 V0 fireproof material to preserve functionality under some of the harshest environments. The GTC-E series is designed for easy field installation. After a simple crimp termination of the contacts, they are inserted into the connector effortlessly, with bayonet coupling to ensure a secure connection. GTC-E is optimized for heavy-duty applications, including rail mass transit, heavy equipment, automation, instrumentation, and robotics. It's also seamlessly compatible with the GT series of connectors, allowing easy replacement without the need to redesign your system. The GTC-E series of connectors is your solution for harsh environments, providing unparalleled reliability and efficiency for your applications. For more information about the GTC-E series, please visit our website.